Animals were the first astronauts, and their missions were anything but ordinary. Here are some of the strangest space travelers. The first living creature in space was Laika, a stray dog from Moscow. She went up in 1957, but unfortunately, her return trip wasn't exactly planned. Before Laika, scientists launched fruit flies into space. Why? To see if radiation would turn them into mutant superflies. Spoiler, it didn't. In 1961, a chimp named Ham became the first hominid in space. He even pushed buttons during the flight, proving that primates could pilot a spaceship. Tortoises were sent around the moon by the Soviets in 1968. Not only did they survive, but they came back still hungry because even in space, tortoises take their time. In the 70s, NASA sent spiders to see if they could spin webs in zero gravity. The verdict? They did, but the webs looked like drunken scribbles. In 1973, scientists launched fish into space to see how they'd swim in zero gravity. Turns out, they spent days doing backflips before figuring out which way was up. Japanese scientists sent a group of newts to space to study their ability to regrow limbs. Meanwhile, humans still can't figure out how to stop stubbing their toes. Mice, frogs, and jellyfish have all been to space. The jellyfish actually had spaceborne babies, but when they returned to Earth, they couldn't figure out how to swim properly. In 2013, Iran claimed to have launched a monkey into space and brought it back alive. Some people think they launched 2 different monkeys and just hoped no one noticed. Scientists once sent water bears, tardigrades, into space, and they survived in the vacuum without a problem. Meaning, these tiny creatures are officially tougher than astronauts. Follow for more pointless but fun trivia.